Let's begin by unboxing and performing an initial setup of your new Grind by Sync compatible grinder. After you power on the grinder, use the menu to navigate to User Management to log in. The default password is 1924, but you can change this to your own password at any time. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to General Settings and set up the time zone, time, and date. Correct settings are required, otherwise the grinder Wi-Fi, cloud, and machine pairing will not work. To connect the grinder to Wi-Fi, navigate to User Management in the main Setup menu, and if prompted, log in. Navigate to Connectivity. Select Wi-Fi settings, enable Wi-Fi, then select and connect to Wi-Fi. Select Scan for Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi network and log in. After successful connection, navigate back to Home and turn off the grinder. Turn the grinder back on, and if there is a new version of the firmware available, you will be prompted to perform the update. There are several steps to the update, so it may take several minutes to complete. When the update has finished, the grinder will restart on its own and return to the home screen like normal. Your grinder's firmware is now up to date. Now let's input some basic recipe settings and assign a portafilter. Navigate to Edit Recipes in the menu, input your target dose weight, and select the icon corresponding to your dose size. Then set a starting grind size. After that, we'll add a portafilter to the system. Ensure portafilter detection is enabled, then enter the portafilter management menu to add your portafilter. Select Add Portafilter, then place your portafilter on the holder. The grinder will weigh the portafilter and add it to the system. You can assign as many portafilters as you like, and the grinder will recognize which portafilter it is based off its weight. Make sure to enable Grind by Sync if you later wish to have your grinder adjusting automatically based on machine parameters. Then navigate to Connectivity, scroll down and select Machine to Machine, and enable La Marzocco. Registration is necessary to enable grinder and machine pairing. To do this, open the Mahlkönig app and enter your email to set up an account. You will receive an email to confirm. Click the confirmation link and enter your login information to finish the account setup and login. In the grinder menu, navigate to Connectivity. In Wi-Fi settings, select to enable Wi-Fi, and ensure that the grinder is on access point mode by choosing Reset Wi-Fi. When the status changes to Connected, navigate to Quick Connect and scroll down to the QR code. In the Mahlkönig app, select Onboard and Sync Devices and scan the QR code. Select Join and wait for the grinder to connect to the app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if required. Upon successful connection, the Wi-Fi and cloud icons on the grinder will change to solid, and you are now able to pair your Grind by Sync grinder to your La Marzocco machine. In the Mahlkönig app, select Sync Coffee Machine. The La Marzocco app will automatically open and show a remote connection. Select your coffee machine and scroll down to Mahlkönig Sync. Select Manage. Select Go to Mahlkönig Sync, and select your grinder. Confirm your grinder selection and verify the connection. You are now ready to use your Grind by Sync grinder and compatible La Marzocco espresso machine.